Alright guys, we got a Honda Civic in the garage. Check it out. Oh man, this is pretty rough looking Civic. This is a 1.8 2012. So same thing from a 07 or something and up. Rough looking Civic. The owner of this vehicle, he lives in the hood. So somebody trying to steal it. The cylinder here is not working anymore when you put the key. The bumper is taped up, hanging. There's a shoelace right there. There's a rope right there, zip tie. He had an accident before, so that's why it's looking really rough. There's no wheel liner on both sides, and you can see that here broken glass. It's pretty rough, man. He lives in the hood, so he doesn't care anymore. As long as it's a run and drive, it's all good. So it's in my garage because he picked up a used headlight. This is the aftermarket headlights, Halo. Doesn't work anymore. I diagnosed earlier, like a couple weeks ago. There's no input. So when I diagnosed it, the fuse block down here, there's no power going out from the fuse block to the headlight. There's no power. All right, first let's take out this bumper right here because we need to take out the headlight. Metal bracket underneath the headlight that we need to disconnect, couple screws, and then a couple screws on top of the headlights, and this headlights will come out. So this will be pretty easy because this bumper is loose already. You can see there's a tape right there, and there's a rope in a couple areas. So we're just gonna quickly take it out. Alright guys, so we're just gonna leave the bumper hang like that on the floor. This is what we're gonna deal with here. This headlight right here. So we're gonna take out the cover on the top. Down here, this is the bracket I'm talking about. We're gonna adjust that. You see it's bent on that one. This one is still okay. So we're gonna take out a couple bolts here and then we'll continue. Alright, so this is the mess of this aftermarket headlight here. So he's gonna bring this to the factory. We got the factory headlight with all the bulbs and stuff. So we're gonna unhook everything. We're gonna change everything here. We're just gonna detach all this stuff to the headlight. We're gonna use this bracket because the old one has no bracket. Doesn't come with. Dealing with this aftermarket headlight with no wheel liner, corrosion buildup, water, mud. This is why it's not good to work with. This is like the condensation dry, and then the connector here on the factory harness, it looks like it's gonna need some repair. This is garbage. Not dealing with this headlight anymore. We'll take this out and then let's put a brand new one in. Used but brand new one. Alright, so you can see here's the impact bar. Here's that bent damage right there. You see this one, it's okay. So this is the big impact right here. Frame right there is bent. So who knows if this whole thing was pushed back. We don't know. But he just wants this thing fixed so he could drive it. This thing is all... Oh man, this is the windshield washer fluid. Yeah, it's filled with mud. He got no windshield washer working. So we're gonna let him know that he needs a new one. The tank and maybe the pump as well. Maybe the pump sucks all those dirt and mud in the pump and that doesn't work. So he needs a new tank, maybe a new line, and for sure windshield washer pump. Continue putting this headlight. Maybe we could test this. We'll put a light bulb in here before we install everything. Make sure everything works before we install the headlamp and the bumper. Alright guys, a little bit of hiccups right here. Had to go to the store and get a pigtail. This is for the low beam because of this little bit of a connector right here. There's a condensation and it just rotted out. There's no way to repair this, so I had to cut it. Get a brand new one. And the signal light, there's 3 wires on the signal light pigtail. One is cut because of all this corrosion on this side right here. There's nothing wrong on the driver's side. Corrosion because of the wheel liner. I've been driving it without wheel liner, so all the mud and snow, water, and dirt just fleeing around is hitting the harness. You get beat up, so that's why we had to do a little bit of repair on this side. So I did the heat shrink this already. So ready to go. We're just gonna put a bulb in, and same thing on the other side. We'll test it out and make sure that everything is all light up, doing a signal and everything. high beam and low beam before we start installing the headlight back in. Alright guys, check it out. There you go. All the 3 bulbs light up. Looks pretty good. Same thing on this side. All the 3 bulbs light up. That's good. Everything is working good. Let's do the signal. Alright, there you go. We got the signal going. Same thing on this side. Everything is good. Alright, so let's install this bulb. Make sure it's nice and clean. There's nothing on dirt or water or oil or dust on that bulb. We had to clean it up and install it to the headlights after. There we go. We got the headlamp bracket on here. Okay, I know this one is rusted out, but it's still good. It's not bent or anything. The other one is bent. So we're gonna have to clean up this bulb and we're gonna install it on the headlamp housing. Put it on, turn and twist. There you go. Alright, so we're gonna have to put the bulb in here first before we put the connectors. Line it up, twist. That's the low beam and the high beam is on the outside. Line it up and twist. There you go. And for the connector, this one here, low beam, and then the blue connector is for the high beam. Just like that. There we go. So this is good, and we're gonna install it. There's only 1 bolt right here and then another bolt right there for this one. So there we go. I know, it's shit.
Wow. Let's go.